All right, so this is how a typical CSV file looks like. So all the columns are separated by commas. So you have one, this comma, this comma, this. So these are variant information. So the first column is chromosome. I think I showed that earlier. Let me just show it again. Yeah, that will be better. Yeah, so that is what I showed here. So we have this, and this. All right, so this is chromosome number, this is position, this is ref, and this is alt. All right, so if you open with a spreadsheet software, of course the separator characters will not be shown, but on the terminal it will be shown like this, okay, to let you know that we have some separations here. So that's what I have here. So chromosome, position, ref, alt. So something like this too, it's possible to add the headers. All right, so let's do this. Let's also do this. So this one, now you know the drill. All right, so we say to add the headers for a CSV file like this, you say sed, we bring our quotes 1i slash, this is Chrome, and this time around, instead of the tab character, we are using comma, because here the separations, or let me just say the separator is a comma. So we bring our comma, we bring our position, comma, we bring our ref, comma, we bring our alt, and then we close it, and then we specify the variants like this. So this time we are going to save it straight away. We are not going to do any display because we've done that already. Anyway, let me just do it again. Some people may still want it repeated, so I'll do it. All right, so we will have it like this. This is a sed command to add headers to a CSV file. And so let's execute this command. So we have it here. Let's just display a few lines of it, because this will display everything. So we do this, we have our head, so we can see it's nicely done for us. All right, so that's how we do it. So now what we will do is to, instead of displaying, we will save it to an output file. So I'll do it here. So I'll reissue the command again, sed. This time I'll do it like this because I have already entered it, and then I'll just redirect it, and I'll see variants with headers, and I'll see .csv. All right, so that's how we do. So now let's rerun the command. So now it's done. Let's do an ls. We are going to find it there. We have variants with headers, so we can do a head like this, and that will also be done for you. So that's how we do it. All right, so we have added the headers now. So let's also open the output with our spreadsheet software. So I'll just come here. So I have that here. So I have my variants, that's the original CSV. I have the one with headers. So I'll open both of them. I'll open both. Yeah. So there's the variants, the original file. We see it here. And this is also the one with the headers. We see that also here. So it has been done nicely for us. So that's how we do it. All right.